it's a zebra.
Look.
Hi, zebra.
Do you see zebra? Oh, this is like some goat also.
Zebra.
It's a snail.
Wow, look.
It's a zebra.
Look
Wow.
here.
Yeah.
Look. Who is this? Look, strauss.
A flamingo.
Yeah, look.
Flamingo.
What is this, pa?
Flamingo, how it's called? Strauss?
It's not
This bird that is
flamingo.
hiding. They come to the cars, you know? They are coming and they are doing like boom, boom on the car also.
Don't go out.
No, it's
No, it's
to go
forbidden
out.
to go out. They will bite us. We can't go out, Angelica.
Just to look around. Wow. What is this animals? Like carabao.
Look, this is zebra.
Zebra. Wow, a lot of zebra.
This is small mama zebra and baby zebra, you see? Let's go there, let's see. Wait.
Wow, zebra.
Look,
Look.
a goat.
Mama
Oh,
zebra.
look, oh, look, so big animals, look there.
Wow.
Wow, hippo. It's a huge hippo, look.
Wow. Really, a
Yeah,
hippo.
there are many animals
So
there.
big hippo.
You see?
But looks like
There's also a zebra.
parang
Oh, people are
elephant.
opening windows. Look, this
Look,
is...
zebra.
Yes, this is baby zebra. And papa zebra, you see?
Look, also the zebra.
And who is this? Also
Wow.
goats, look. There are many different animals. You want to take, you can take clicker to you, no? It's okay, maybe.
Goats.
Mama, maybe you take... Okay. It's from this side. That. Can you see, Angelica? What is this there? You see hippo, Angelica. Come.
Oh,
Come to Mama. Mama.
So big hippo. No, it's not a goat. It's a deer.
here's also a deer.
It's a deer, honey.
Hippos in the lake. Wow, hippo.
Hippopotamo. Ayun o, naliligo sila ang mga hippopotamo. Wow, a lot of
I don't get out
animals.
of here.
Later we will get out. Here we can look. Look, small ducks or what is this? No, some interesting birds. So beautiful.
I want to go out.
So soon we will go. Here it's forbidden because there are big animals also here.
Yes,
There must be lions also. Oh, look,
forbidden to go
they're
out.
flying here. Look.
Wow.
You don't like lion.
Put back. Did you see hippo? Lavashka, yeah. You like? Do you like
And
the
I
zoo?
want to see you.
Yes.
I'll come to you, Mom.
Huh? But you have to sit in your chair.
It's okay here, no?
Then me, I want to see.
Come, take it. Yes, hippo is showing his face.
Look, look. Hippotamo. Show your face.
Alligator!
No, it's hippotamo, honey.
It's hippo. It's not alligator.
Look,
Wow.
I see alligator!
Really? Where? Ah, maybe. Oh no, it's not alligator. I don't think there is alligator here. Only hippo. Alligators we will see later. Okay? Can we go?
Yeah.
Bye bye,
You-
hippo.